John. God. Hey guys, how was that Mercy Me tonight? Let's give them a big round. Woo! Hey, my name's Charlie Greer, and I'm the volunteer coordinator for today. And you know, we have a lot of chairs out here. We could really use a hand getting those picked up and clipped. I got some guys in the dugouts in orange t-shirts. We could use a couple hundred people. It'd be awesome if you could start clipping those chairs and stacking them up for us. We did it in Corpus Christi last night in about an hour. And you should have seen the little 4-year-old girl that was